So I did it. Hello my friends and welcome to Hair Trick TV, helping you to solve your hair problem so that you can achieve all your hair goals. I'm Pallavi and in this video I will try and cut my own hair. So let's get started with today's video. So from the last few days and even today morning, I was super excited. But by the time I was getting ready to film this video, I'm a bit nervous. So I've never cut my hair on my own. I have did my bangs before. I have watched a lot of videos on YouTube. So I would suggest you to watch a lot more videos if you wanna try it out. I don't think it's that scary. I'm pretty much confident that it will not go wrong. I will link my favorite video in the description box down below. If you only want to watch the part where I'm cutting my hair, then I have the time right here. You can skip to that part and directly go there. For this, you would need a scissor. This is not exactly what people use to cut their own hair, but since I'm doing this for the first time, I'm just using what I have at my home. Maybe later, if I start cutting my hair regularly on my own, I will buy one. So for now I have this scissor. I have some hair ties. You would need this. Okay, so I'm gonna take my comb and start combing my hair. And as I always say, start from the bottom. I already have a video on the right way to comb your hair. I will link it up in here and also in the description box. Go and check that out. I will change the background setup a bit because I need a mirror in front of me so that I can see properly what I'm doing. So yeah, let's set up that and get started. And someone is playing a song in the background right there. So anyway, I'm gonna take all my hair in the front. Okay, so I have tied my hair in the front. I'm gonna take another hairband and tie it right here. My desired length, I should cut my hair till here, and it would be this much hair. So I'm gonna get a little more lower, like till here, and cut there. And it's this much hair. So I'm planning to cut my hair from here. So for this much hair, I will tie it into a braid. I'm gonna take another hair elastic, tie my hair into a braid. Okay, so now I have braided my hair. So I'm gonna cut from here, this much hair. I will cut it from here. Here's my scissor. Let's do this. So I did it. I'm gonna remove this part. This is my hair. So since I don't want it to be straight there, so we are gonna just thin it down. Now I will divide my hair into 3 parts. Okay, so I have divided my hair into 4 sections, and I will now take each section and cut my hair like in vertical strokes so that it's not that blunt. And so for doing this, I have switched my scissors and I'm using a smaller scissor because I don't want to cut my hair way too much. Okay, so now I'm done. So let's remove these elastic bands and see the results. Mirrors. Let me take the camera a little bit down so that you can see. This is my hair. And so yeah, that's it. If you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking on my channel icon right here. I upload new videos every Saturday 5 p.m. but for this month of September, I will upload 2 videos per week, one on Wednesday and one on Saturday. So stay tuned for that and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. It seems so funny because yesterday only I watched the movies 3 and today I have this. If you go and watch that video, you will get to know what I am saying about. So I have this much left. I have the hair which I wanted. So yeah, that's it. Bye.